Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0113 indicates a problem with the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor circuit, where an excessively high voltage has been detected. The IAT sensor is crucial for optimizing the air-fuel ratio by providing temperature data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. It is a thermistor, which means its resistance changes with temperature fluctuations. This sensor is located on the intake manifold, where it can effectively measure the air's temperature entering the engine. Proper function of this sensor is essential, as inaccurate readings can lead to inefficient engine operation, increased emissions, and poor fuel economy. When high voltage is detected from the IAT sensor, the PCM will flag this issue by storing the DTC, triggering the malfunction indicator lamp. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0113, it is advisable to incorporate regular sensor checks into the vehicle's maintenance routine. Inspecting the wiring and connectors associated with the IAT sensor should be part of routine checks to ensure they remain in good condition. Keeping an eye on any potential issues early can save drivers from more significant repair costs down the road. Additionally, scheduling routine engine maintenance can help to identify potential faults before they manifest as trouble codes, thus ensuring smooth operation. Proactive maintenance is not just about fixing issues, it's also about preventing them. In summary, understanding the function of the IAT sensor is critical for both diagnosing and preventing issues related to DTC P1113. High voltage readings from the sensor can lead to broader engine performance problems due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments. By familiarizing oneself with the symptoms, potential causes, and troubleshooting techniques, drivers and technicians can effectively address and resolve issues before they escalate. Regular maintenance and timely assessments can minimize the risk of encountering this DTC again. Ultimately, staying proactive and informed will lead to better vehicle performance and longevity. The IAT sensor plays a critical role in ensuring that the engine receives the correct air-fuel mixture for optimal performance. By sensing the temperature of the incoming air, the sensor informs the PCM, which adjusts the fuel delivery based on the current density of the air. This is particularly important, as air temperature can vary widely due to environmental conditions or changes in the engine's operational state. The IAT sensor is typically located in or near the intake manifold, where it can accurately assess the air temperature before combustion. If the sensor reports a consistently high output voltage of 4.92 volts or more for a duration of 2.0 seconds, the PCM interprets this as a fault condition, thereby illuminating the MIL and storing the DTC. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0113. One possible reason is that the TA line, which connects the IAT sensor to the PCM, is open or damaged. This can prevent the PCM from receiving accurate readings from the sensor. Another cause may be an open SG line, which also disrupts the sensor's communication with the PCM. The IAT sensor itself might be faulty, either due to wear over time or manufacturing defects. Finally, there could be an internal failure within the PCM, which would affect its ability to process the incoming data from the IAT sensor. Diagnosing these issues accurately is essential to restoring normal vehicle operation. When dealing with the DTC P0113, several symptoms may become apparent during operation. One of the most noticeable symptoms is engine misfires, which occur when the air-fuel mixture is not optimally adjusted. This miscalculation can lead to poor fuel efficiency, since the engine may try to compensate by using more fuel than necessary. Additionally, This issue could result in increased emissions, as an improper mixture can cause unburned fuel to exit through the exhaust system. Drivers will also notice the illumination of the MIL, which serves as a warning sign that something is amiss within the engine management system. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent more severe damage to the engine over time. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0113 involves checking the IAT sensor's output voltage using a multimeter. This instrument allows technicians to measure the voltage that the IAT sensor sends to the PCM. Ideally, the output voltage should fall within a specified range, typically between 0.5 and 4.5 volts, depending on the temperature conditions. If the measured voltage remains at or above 4.92 volts, this confirms that there is a malfunction within the sensor or circuit. Assessing the voltage output provides critical insights into whether the sensor is functioning properly or if further diagnostics are necessary. The next step is to physically inspect the wiring and connectors associated with the IAT sensor. This includes checking for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. An open circuit can occur if there is a break anywhere along the wiring harness connecting the IAT sensor to the PCM. It is crucial to ensure all connectors are properly seated and that there is no corrosion affecting their function. Technicians should also examine the physical condition of the IAT sensor itself, as a damaged sensor may not provide accurate data, leading to potential errors during operation. In this troubleshooting step, technicians will need to perform a resistance test on the IAT sensor to determine if it is functioning within its specified parameters. Using an ohm meter, one can measure the resistance across the sensor terminals. The resistance should change with temperature according to the manufacturer's specifications. If the measured resistance deviates from these specifications substantially, it indicates that the sensor is faulty and may require replacement. By ensuring that the sensor is within its operational limits, technicians can eliminate this component as a cause of the DTC. The final troubleshooting step would be to evaluate the PCM's functionality itself. This is typically done using a diagnostic tool that can communicate with the PCM and reveal any fault codes or errors that may not yet be flagged by the MIL. Technicians should also ensure that the software running on the PCM is up to date, as sometimes software glitches can lead to erroneous fault codes like P0113. If there are no issues with the IAT sensor and its associated wiring, but the DTC remains present, a deeper inspection of the PCM may reveal internal faults that could require reprogramming or replacement. After completing all necessary repairs based on the diagnostic steps taken, it is essential to verify that the repairs were successful. This is done by clearing the DTC from the PCM and taking the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that the results fall within the expected parameters. During this drive cycle, monitoring the IAT sensor data should confirm that it operates correctly, meaning no excessive voltage readings should appear. A successful verification process is indicated by the absence of both the DTC and the MIL illumination during subsequent trips. If the DTC does not recur, this signals that the issue has been fully resolved. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!